Chris Brown did exactly what he said he was gonna do. He ripped Quavo into shreds. So you guys know Chris Brown dropped a diss track towards Quavo last night called Weakest Link. He was talking all kind of trash about him, and he also exposed the fact that Saweetie got caught slipping and she was sleeping with him while she was still in a relationship with Quavo.
My ex, that's cool, I don't give no f***, cause I f*** your ex when you was still with a I'm up. They say revenge is sweet.
Well, it seems like Saweetie responded. She said, "Woo child," and she also posted this picture with a caption that says, "Let me go rewrite these nanny verses." So I guess Sis is going to drop some music explaining what happened between her, Chris Brown, and Quavo. Quavo came through with a cryptic message. He just posted this picture of Young Thug. I mean, the only thing he can do right now is post a picture because he needs to be in a booth right now getting his diss ready for Chris Brown. Moving on to the next topic, you guys know Bia felt like Cardi B was copying her. Cardi B clapped back at Bia. Bia clapped back at Cardi B. So Drizzy dropped the remix to her song B Duh featuring Lakia, Ken the Man, and Bia. And Bia's verse is basically a diss towards Cardi B. So she says, "I hear bees popping ish and that's so funny to me. How you say you run it down but you can't walk on a beat. I ain't know I had an op cause she don't say ish to me. I'ma cop me a new GUN before I cop a plea. Heard they want my low, I dropped it in Dubai. I can never turn my phone on just to cry. On a live, I hate a sneaky ninja, pick a side. If you want to get up with me, tell that B we're outside." So shortly after this, Cardi B was on Instagram Live in the studio, and people feel like she's in the studio getting ready to diss Bia.
I can finish this song so I could go home and get the out of this. The dungeon. Now that's cool. It's a cool spot. You know what I'm saying? We having a good time. Friends linking up. We all here. We all working. We all put it together, having ideas. My service here suck. We in fucking Partisans dungeon. We in party dungeon. You know, sometimes we gotta switch it up and hang out with friends. This is just for my fans so they can know why I haven't been activated. And I also been working, but you know, even though we've been working, like we've been wanting to go out, but it's like I'm not going out and I'm this skinny, fat, big hips, no fucking legs, no fucking look at me, like look at my face, like it's just skinny. I'm on live right now. Don't say nothing about nobody. Don't say that. Don't say that racist. Don't talk about no niggas. Don't nothing. Oh wait, my service probably suck here. I don't got your Wi-Fi, Cardi.
Click it. I might share it.
Yeah, but I'm already on live. I don't think it's going.
Still work. Slide it down.
Love songs. So yeah, bye.
So you guys heard Cardi B said she's in the studio with Partisan. So do you feel like she's getting ready to diss Bia, or do you feel like she's working on her album that she's supposed to be putting out this year? Let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.